Hello everyone, this is our group. So we are going to explain our presentation. Today, our group, myself and my group, along with my teammates Liti, Sidhu and Sai Chiran will be presenting a fitness tracking website, which is a full stack platform designed to help users to track their workouts, monitor activities, set goals, and visualize progress. So you can see in the on the screen. So this is a website, Fitness Track Pro, that we have created. So this project is built for users to address their real organization need. So people who have simple and centralized way to stay consistent and who plan to stay consistent in their life, in their fitness journey, our website is going to help them. So our website makes this process easier for users and structure and motivating and keep motivated to track their fitness along in their life. So here to satisfy the business service model and Canvas requirement, so we analyze this project as a real world business service and here's a breakdown. So we created this website. So this platform helps for the users who can log into their website. So here are my credentials. This is Abhishek. So I have entered my email and I have entered my password, which credentials have been saved through where we have to register before logging in. So I have registered. So these are my credentials. So currently I'm logging to my website. So you can see this. So I have been successfully logged on to the website where you can see the home, activity, log, history, goals, and reports. So, so for the this platform where users can log on to their workouts and they can see their activities and they can view their activities day by day. And this is a log where they can save their workout day by day, where they can enter the workout name, like which workout they have done and on which date. And you can see that there's an exercise. So they can mention their exercise and they can mention their attributes like how many sets they have done, how many reps they have done, how many cages they have been lifted, so on. So this, after saving this, they can know their activity, they can know their progress day by day. And here you can see the history. So this is my history that I'm saving from from past 1 week, where you can see the morning workout on Saturday, November 29th, and leg day on where I have saved this. So you can set goals too. For example, people who are want to have a goal to make six packs or something, they can set their goals and they this will be showing their reports like daily activity as you can see December 3rd, 0 peps, and you can check your daily activity over here. And these are the this will show the how many calories that they have burned per day. So this is my activity. As you can see, my when my I came to my home page, my weekly activity will be represented over here, where you can successfully see your activity and you can see the recent workouts. So, coming to the channels. So, our channel is the web application accessible through we can access this website through desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile browsers. And our platform builds trust for the people users who can own their workouts, their goals, who can reach their goals and input on their history. So coming to the key resources, like what made to make this website. So first we hosted this website and we deployed this website through Render and we maintained a database to save the uh, data of everything through PostgreSQL. So you can see our project fulfills all required objectives like user-friendly design, secure login, and database integration. And we have used some tools like React, Tailwind CSS, Node.js, and React Query. So where uh, firstly, like the website. is not a prototype. This will help work out the end to end, where you register, login, create account, and everything works in real time. This shows that our project goes beyond design and actually implements a workout system. And coming to the user-friendly interfaces, we designed a user-friendly interface using like clear navigation, consistent styling, and mobile response layouts. So our goal was to make the site easy so that each and every student can understand instantly. This we have done through UX, UI, and navigation components of the rubric. So users can securely log into the because they have a valid password and credentials. So next, my friend Litish will be continuing.
Hey, hey friends, and now I'm explaining the UI and UI design principles. In our website, the UI and UX designs mainly focuses on making the website clean, intuitive, and modern. We are following. We mostly followed the four principles in the website. We followed the four rules: clarity, consistency, accessibility, focus. Coming to clarity, simple layouts and easy to read fonts. Yeah, we can read the fonts very easily. And coming to consistency, same color, same color palette buttons and spacing to the side. And coming to accessibility, everything works smoothly on desktop and mobile devices. Yeah, we can use on anything in even the mobile phones and desktops, laptops, everything. It will fit to into the big screens. It will give you a, like smoother smoothing services. And coming to accessibility, everything works smoothly on desktop and mobile devices. And coming to focus, each page has single clear purpose to avoid overwhelming to the user. And also we use like Tailwind CSS to ensure styling remains clean, responsive, and uniform. And coming to slide 5, uh, it is a like user-friendly navigation. To satisfy the user-friendly navigation rubric, our navigation bar includes dashboards, work log, goals, activity, history, reports, and log and register. Yeah, each space is clearly labeled so that users never feel lost. This supports smooth user flow and makes the entire website easy to explore. Yeah, let me briefly show you how the site looks. On the dashboard, you can see a summary of recent workouts and activity. On the work logout page, they can add works using the guided form. On the goals page, they can track their fitness goals, and on the reports page, they can see the charts and visual sites. This structure ensures a stronger usability and meets the rubric public perfectly. And coming to slide 6, it is like architecture. We use it like the front-end architecture. Our front-end uses React for based development and React Router for seamless navigation and React Query for real-time data updates. It can give the real-time updates, the notifications, everything. In the slide where I have shown that like the dashboard and work logout page, goal page, reports page, it will give the every notification for the yeah for the mobiles and laptops, everything. And also here using we use the Tailwind CSS for styling. These tools give the side speed, smoothness, and professional design. And my friend Sidhu will continue the next slides.
Litesh, for explaining the front-end architecture of our website. So I'll be explaining about the back-end architecture. So uh, coming to our backend, it is built using Node.js and Express. So it basically handles the REST API routes and validation of data, authentication, and the communication between the databases and the handling of the errors. So basically, this creates a smooth pipeline between the front end and the database. So coming to the database integration on the next slide. So to meet the database integration requirement, a system basically includes the users table, workouts table, exercises table, goals table, daily active table. So we have these kind of tables in our database. So the data flows like every user has multiple workouts, and each workout has multiple exercises, and the users also may also have multiple goals for their fitness tracking, and the daily activity is stored per user per date. So like we can store the data of the users in a particular date, so as per the user's wish. So basically the backend ensures each logged in user only accesses their own data and not others' data. So coming to the next slide, where it is security and login and registration. So for the secure login and registration, we implemented input validation, secure password handling, session-based authentication, and we also protected the roads for workouts, goals, and the activity of the users. So strict access control, so no user can access others' data. So we ensured that like the user cannot access other people's data as well. So if a user is not logged in, they are maybe blocked from protected pages. So this ensures privacy, security, and compliance with rubric expectations. So this in our website, when a user logs in, the backend verifies the credentials of that particular user, and if it is successful and it matches the data in our database, the user gets full access. Otherwise, an error is shown while logging in. So this demonstrates secure authenticated authentication handling. So the next slides will be explained by my friend Sajid.
Hi, now I'm going to explain how advanced technologies are used. To fulfill the optional rubric category of advanced technologies, we used integrated React query. It manages server state and reduces unnecessary API calls, automatically updates UI when backend data changes. The next one, Tailwind CSS, it first utility utility first styling, and it has faster development, beautiful and consistent design. Both are modern industry tools and elevate the project beyond basic class material. Coming to next slide, I'm going to explain the full system flow. Uh, the system the system works in a complete full stack cycle. The user registers or logs in, it reacts and sends a request to the Express backend. Backend authenticates the user access the protected pages. Fitness data is stored in the database. React query fetches and updates UI. Reports visualize the user's progress. This end-to-end workflow shows real industry level application design. Coming to the next slide, the reports and insights. Reports play a huge role in engagement. Our website provides weekly workout charts, activity summaries, goal progress indicators. Visual data gives users a quick understanding of their consistency and improvements. Coming to the next slide, source code and documentation. To satisfy the source code included, rubric or submission contains a link to the live working website, full source code in the text form, screenshots providing deployment, a link to the presentation video, a written documental file, the entire backend and front end directory structure. This completes the academic deliverables. Coming to the conclusion, in conclusion, our fitness tracking website achieves full business model alignment, professional UI by UX design, secure authentication, real database functionality, modern advanced technologies, smooth navigation, variable reporting insights, and that's it. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video.